All right, so I just want to give a quick shout out to Doug. We worked with him last week preparing our new offer and how we were going to launch into the marketplace. Keep in mind, we had a lot of breakthroughs on this call, so it's kind of hard to condense it down to one. But honestly, the biggest breakthrough was how to structure your offer effectively and how to design a challenge, right? Our case, it's a 5-day challenge. That was a brilliant breakthrough because Doug is so good at deciphering and going through in detail where we should be and why we're doing this, and very methodical, but also very simple, right? Simplistic in the sense of, I'm not a marketing guy by nature, right? I'm not an online guy by nature. I ran a brick and mortar real estate business, but being able to understand it and explain it to me in that sense was just awesome. So what we were going through in the business was we had some tremendous growth last year, and then we kind of stayed stagnant this year, and we kind of had a fall off. And now we were contemplating, hey, what are we going to do to change this up in the marketplace? How are we going to get back to where we were with the lessons that we learned? So that's why we reached out to Doug. How I feel now after the call, I mean, our 5-day challenge just launched right now. We're crushing it already. Feel really good. It gave me and my team just a clear path. Doug was awesome in the sense of how long he took to stay with us on the phone and on the Zoom and really design this out. So I really appreciate him for that. What I would say to anyone else, and again, I'm a coach in my own right in the real estate side. So what I would say to anyone else is there's really nothing to think about. This dude is an expert in his field. There's a reason why Russell Brunson has him coaching and speaking to people, and why he's done so well with so many of his students. So there's really nothing to think about. The guy can design any offer and can help you. He brings his expertise. He brings so many years of knowledge, and he's awesome to work with. He was fantastic. So if you're considering this and why you should sign up and all that stuff, I would tell you 100% there's nothing else to consider. I would 100% guarantee you that you are going to be blown away by what he can do for you. So I appreciate you, Doug.